Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to another session. So previously we have learned about bubble sorting mechanism. So in this class we are going to see how to perform an insertion sort. Okay. So insertion sort is also one of the mechanism to sort the values in a particular order. Okay, right. So selection sort is also there. So selection sort. So in selection sort, what it happens is first you try to fix the first location and then search the entire array for the smallest value in that array. Okay, so if you have a list of elements in this array, particular array, so the first location will be fixed, which is 29. That will be taken into an index, and then you search the remaining array for the smallest element. So for the remaining array, the smallest element is 13. So this 13 will be swapped into the first location. Okay. So first location loki ee 13 anedi swap chestam. Then the first location will be fixed with 13 because that is the smallest value in the array and that will be coming into the first location of the array. Okay, so akkadato manaki first location fix అయిపోయింది. Right. So then you take the next value 13 కాకుండా 13 కి పక్కన ఉన్న value, that means 72. You take this value in an index and you compare the remaining array for the next smallest value. ఈ రిమైనింగ్ array మొత్తంలో నెక్స్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏదో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయాలి. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 29. సో దిస్ 29 will be swapped into the 72 and then 72 will be swapped into 29. So the first two locations are fixed now. Okay, first two locations are fixed and then you fix the next location 98 and then search for the next smallest value in the array. Okay, so the next smallest value in the array is 36. So this 36 will be placed in 98. Okay, and then 98 will be placed at the last value. So like that, the first three locations are fixed now, and then we move on to the next location, which is 72. So from this, the remaining part of the array will be searched for the next smallest value. So the next smallest value is 51. Then 51 will be placed in 72, and 72 will be placed in 51. Okay. So now the first four locations are fixed with the smallest values, which are in a ascending order. And then you have the next remaining array. You take it as 87 as an index and then search for the next smallest value in this array, which is 52. Then swap these two. And then, so the first five locations are fixed. Okay. And then the next location is 66. Okay. But you find that 66 is already at the sorting location. So no need to do any swapping here. Then move on to the next location, 87. So you fix this 87 in index and try to find out the smallest value in the remaining array. So remaining 72 or 98 among these two, we have 72 as the smallest value. Then swap these values in 87 and 72 accordingly. Then finally the sorted array is ready. Okay, this is what we do in the selection sort. Okay, so if you observe the logic here, so logic for the selection sort, if you observe that, Okay, so we are taking an example class selection sort example. Then we are writing a method called selection sort. Then what you need to do is for the entire array, you write a for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. You place the first value index into a variable called index. So what is I? I is 0. So the first location. So the first location, which is index 0, that you need to place in a which you need to place in a variable called index. Okay, index అనే వేరియబుల్ లోకి ఆ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ j is equal to I plus 1. J is equal to I plus 1. Then j less than array dot length j plus plus. That means you need to search for the smallest value in the remaining array. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ రిమైనింగ్ అరేలో స్మాలెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఈ కోడ్. సో ఇఫ్ అరే ఆఫ్ j లెస్ దాన్ అరే ఆఫ్ ఇండెక్స్ అయితే ఓకే దెన్ jలో ఉన్న వాల్యూని ఇండెక్స్ లోకి ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సో వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్? j is nothing but the place where you find out the next smallest value. Okay, so now if you find out that value, array of index లో ఏముంది? j ఉంది. j is nothing but the location where you find the next smallest value. So now you need to take that value, that is 13, according to this example, that is 13. You place this in a smallest number. That means ఒక smallest number అనే ఒక వేరియబుల్ తీసుకొని దాంట్లో ప్లేస్ చేశాను. You can take temp here. temp అని కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. Then array of I. What is array of I? Array of I అంటే 0. ఇనిషియల్ ఇండెక్స్ 0 ఉంది కదా, సో I వాల్యూ 0 అన్నమాట. సో array of 0 లోది array of index లోకి పెట్టాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇండెక్స్? ఇండెక్స్ j అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం 13 అనే వాల్యూని 29 లోకి, 29 అనే వాల్యూని 13 లోకి మనం షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద లాజిక్ we have written here. So this is the logic for that, right? So and then we have a main program. Okay, మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఇలా వస్తాయి. వాల్యూస్ మనం అరేలోకి తీసుకొని బిఫోర్ సార్టింగ్ ప్రింట్ చేసి దెన్ ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్ చేసి దానికి అరేని ఇన్పుట్ గా ఇచ్చి దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ సార్టింగ్ విల్ ట్రై టు డిస్ప్లే ద వాల్యూస్. Already I have did this selection sort, so I got an like this. Okay, without any errors, I'll just before and after sorting, I'm printing the values. And the next thing is insertion sort. Okay, insertion sort, it is somewhat tricky here. So I'll just what you do in insertion sort is you just see here. So assume 54 is a sorted list of first item. So first item is a sorted list anukundamu. Okay, then you compare this with the next element. So the first two elements will be compared. Okay, if they are not in a sorted order, sorting cheyali. Sorted order lo lekapothe sort cheyali. And then next 3 locations తీసుకొని sort చేయాలి. Next 4 locations తీసుకొని sort చేయాలి. అలాగే next 5 locations, 6 locations, like that until the end of the array you need to do this. Okay, so this can be better explained with a small YouTube video which I collected. So you just follow this. उस पे आता है साउंड इसमें।
Which is पता है about that. Meta नहीं सिग्मा सामने
नेटा स्लो है। Okay, I'll share the link for you. So this might be very slow for you. Okay, so we'll continue with our example. So here, what we do is here insertion sort. We assume the first location. The first location is fixed, and then we'll try to sort it with the next location. Okay, that means 54 and 26. If the values are sorted, then no need to do anything. If they are not sorted, then again try to sort the values. Okay, so for the next time, we'll try to sort 3 values. Okay, insert 93. So 93 will be inserted at the third location. Okay, and then if you try to sort the values. So values are already sorted, then no need to do anything. Then you take the next 4 locations. That means 17 will be consideration. So when you take 17 into consideration, then obviously it is not sorted. So then you need to sort this value. 17 should be inserted in the appropriate location. Okay, so 17 will be less than 26. So it should be before 26. So like that, you need to insert that particular value into this location. Next time you consider the next 5 locations. Okay, so no need to perform any sorting here because already the elements are sorted. If you take the next time, 31 will be taken into consideration. Now, if you take 31 into consideration, you need to find out the appropriate location where 31 should be inserted, because 31 is greater than 26 and less than 54. So it should be inserted in between 26 and 54. So at that time, you need to insert this value in this particular location. So next you consider the next 5 locations, next number. So 44 will be taken into consideration. So you find the appropriate position to insert 44. Okay. And then next 55 will be taken into consideration. You find the appropriate position to find to insert 55. Okay, like that the algorithm proceeds. Okay, so that is how you need to sort these values. So if you follow the logic here, insertion sort, so there are 2 loops required for j is equal to 1, j less than n, j plus plus. That means j starts with 1, and then I am placing array of j into key. That means I am taking the second value into a key value. Then I am taking an I variable which is j minus 1, okay, which is obviously 0. So while 0 greater than minus 1 and array of I, that means array of 0 greater than key value, okay, array of I is greater than key value, then what you need to do is array of I should be placed in array of I plus 1. That is what we have done here. So 26, we are taking it as a key value. Then we are comparing these 54 and 26. If these 54 and 26 are not in a sorted order, then change the locations. 26 ni 54 loki, 54 ni 26 loki marchali. That is what we have did here. So array of I, that means array of 0 greater than key value. Array of 0 ante enti 56 value. In the example lo manaku 56 undi. 56 ganaka greater than key. The key value is 26. Aithe ganaka marchali. దేంట్లోకి మార్చాలి, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఐలో ఉన్న వాల్యూని ఏరియా ఆఫ్ I+1 లో మార్చాలి, అంటే పక్క లొకేషన్లోకి మార్చాలి దాన్ని. అప్పుడు I మైనస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఐని మనం మైనస్ చేసాం. దెన్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ కీ వాల్యూని దేంట్లో ప్లేస్ చేయాలి, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ I+1 లోకి ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద మెయిన్ లాజిక్ ఈజ్ హియర్. ఓకే, so I'll share a YouTube link also. There you can it is clearly explained how this can happen. Okay, then the main logic will be the same for almost all sorting algorithms, right? Okay, so that is about sorting, insertion sort. Then we have a quick sort, okay, that I'll try to explain in the next class. So okay, then searching of a value. Searching is somewhat important concept here. Searching. So searching is generally we try to search for each and every element. Okay, searching is searching we do in so many different scenarios. Suppose if you want to search a ticket for a reservation in any online website, or if you want to search a book in a library, okay, like that searching is done in so many things, so many cases. So similarly here searching is searching is a very important scenario. Searching is also an example for arrays. Okay, so a particular value will be searched in an array. If you found that value, it is printed. Otherwise, it will simply print array is we cannot find any value in that array. Okay, so there are two types of searching mechanisms. One is linear search and another one is binary search. So linear search, what we do is whatever the searching element is, it is compared with each and every element in the array. Okay, so we try to compare each and every element in the array with your required key. If your required key is found at some particular location, then you print that location. It is at some location. Otherwise, you simply print that array is not found. That means element is not found. Okay, this is called linear search. And then we have binary search. So binary search, what we do is we try to divide the total array into two parts. Okay. So binary search, always the values will be when you divide the array into two parts, the left part contains all the smallest values and the right part contains always the larger elements. Okay, so if you consider this a small example, if you want to search for a 50, okay, so L is 0, that means lower value, higher value is 6, middle value you are finding out lower plus higher by 2, which is 3. Okay, so 45. So you are searching for 50. 50 is equal to 45. If it is true, then you find that element in exactly the middle of the array. Otherwise, you find it in the left right part of the array, because 45 కన్నా మనం search చేస్తున్న value ఎక్కువ ఉంది, 50 కదా. So 50 is greater than 45. So you need to search for the second half. Okay, ఈ half ని మనం search చేయాలి. ఈ half ని search చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ L value and M value తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ దీన్ని మిడిల్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి, ఓకే, సో అలా మనం సెర్చ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద మిడ్ వాల్యూ. దెన్ యువర్ మిడ్ వాల్యూ, మీరు సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్న వాల్యూ మిడ్ వాల్యూ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే యూ గో ఫర్ ద రైట్ హాఫ్. అదర్వైజ్ లెస్సర్ ఉంటే కనుక యూ గో ఫర్ ద లెఫ్ట్ హాఫ్. ఓకే, మనకి ఇప్పుడు 50 అనేది 45 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది, 45 కన్నా 50 ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి వీ ట్రై టు సర్చ్ ఇన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సబ్ హాఫ్. సో లెఫ్ట్ సబ్ హాఫ్ లో మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ద సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్, లెఫ్ట్ లోయర్ వాల్యూ హయ్యర్ వాల్యూ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ దాని మిడిల్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మిడిల్ వాల్యూ కనుక అయితే కనుక యువర్ లొకేషన్ విల్ బి అట్ ద మిడిల్ వాల్యూ, అదర్వైజ్ గో విత్ ద lesser value or with the higher value. Okay, so that is basically for the binary search. I hope all these mechanisms you try to learn in DS also. Okay, so that is how this binary search works, right? So this is about different sorting and searching mechanisms. So quick sort is one example. We left it out. I'll try to explain that in the next class. Right. Thank you.